Tapti, congratulations.
Thank you,
So
sir.
with us is Tapti Raj, ranked 10 in recently published OCS 2020 results. So how this journey started?
So this journey started 3 years back. After my pharmacy, I was into pharmacovigilance. I was working for around 4.5 years. Then one fine day, I realized I'm very confined. Uh, I feel in life we have different purposes. So it was my self actualization actually. I realized my potentials are to be there to connect with more broader base, to help something apart from my own vision. I can do something. Then I tried to take this risk of quitting. Like along with my job, I started the civil service preparation. Then I finally quit, and this is my first attempt, and here I am with
This is the
you.
first attempt.
Yes, sir.
And securing 10th rank,
Yes, sir.
really a great achievement.
Thank you, sir.
So your background is in
Pharmacy.
pharmacy, but what are optionals?
My options were geography and home science, sir.
So completely different.
Hmm.
And pharmacy has any link with home science?
Some portions are there which are having coincidence, like food and nutrition, so other part that is having the biochemistry part. It's having a coincide.
And this is the first attempt.
Yes, sir.
So what are the hurdles before you?
Hurdles were many. There were difficulties. I have certain vision issues. There were certain difficulties, and during my preparation, COVID happened. So I could not take the full advantage of. There was certain health hazard in my own family. I lost 3 of my family members, so it was a very roller coaster. I had to go with emotional this, but then it has its own time to recover, and then it was
You
my
are continuing your job and preparation simultaneously.
till
then you
2020
said-
till 2020 June I was. After that I quit.
And you became confident that I am going to the job.
Yes, sir.
And so sure
took-
about click this examination.
I wanted to take a risk because if I have to do something
Without
bigger,
risk, it's not possible.
I tried with job. It was very difficult. I was not giving importance to both. So I decided why not take a full blow and give all your best that I can. So I quit.
So
sir.
what is the strategy? How many hours? So what is the approach?
So my strategy was very simple. The very purpose that I came to this civil service was very different than while being employed as a job. So my vision was very clear. What was the need of the examination? Why am I giving? How much time I have? What materials I have to prefer? And what is the duration? So I had in mind if I have to give my attempt, I have already taken the risk. I have to do it in my first attempt itself. So when your vision is clear, you come with a very determined mindset. And once you know the mindset, then the only thing remains is your honest hard
For the last
work.
2 years, it was only preparation.
Yes, sir.
Nothing, no deviation, nothing like that.
Nothing, sir.
So what is the importance of writing answers in this examination?
So this exam is a holistic of 2000 marks. Apart from the interview 250, the whole credit goes to 1750 marks of the our
Subjective.
main subjective. So this plays a huge role in mains answer writing. Because within the stipulated time, the entire GS and both the optionals, and you have to answer very holistically. So the concept gathering and the writing practice both needs to be done
You
hand in hand.
continue it regularly.
I was doing so.
And in your process of preparation, where is support of the Banik ISA to you?
So Banik, in the very first step for the prelims test series, I was in contact with Namita ma'am. One of my friend and the senior, they have suggested, considering the
You appear all the tests.
yes sir,
You appear all
I
the
have
tests.
appeared all the tests.
And that improve your performance.
That
and,
improved my
confidence.
performance. Yeah.
Okay.
So apart from test series, I used to watch the current affairs videos, the weekly magazine that they publish, and I was into the group. So any certain particular guidance needed, it was helpful. And then the bigger role was in the interview guidance. That benefited me a lot, sir.
So that was of use to you.
Yes, sir. It was very useful. And current affairs, that materials that you have given also, that gave me a smart approach of covering a lot of topics, because we got very less time apart from men's result to interview, and the interview board was excellent.
And it is a great achievement that in the first attempt you are able to secure the 10th rank. So what will be your message to the youngsters preparing for this examination?
So message would be again very simple. Once you're clear with vision, the only thing remains is honest hard work. If you're very honest with yourself, then the hard work is with you. So you know which path you have chosen. If you do a hard work, because the materials, the online sources, everything remains same. Once you're fundamentally clear, it is you versus you. So you have to put the effort if you want to get yourself to be seen. So it is just the honest work ethic and a very determined mindset, sir.
The beginning of the career, or just you have to stick to here, or just the beginning of the show?
Sir,
It is the beginning of the career, or this there you have to stuck up at Odisha administration or think of UPSC.
no, sir. I have my journey started with a UPSC preparation. I had already given once. So my bigger vision is to try for the Indian
We
Civil
also
Service.
hope that definitely very certainly in the next 1 or 2 years will be in the UPSC list.
Yes, sir.
Thank
I
you.
will keep on preparing that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.